In this screencast, we're going to look at inventory planning and budgeting. Ultimately, we want to determine the cash used to purchase inventory. This requires that we have sales over a planning horizon and that we know the inventory policy for the purchasing of inventory. To get started, I create finished goods inventory for the planning horizon and initiate the beginning inventory at the start of the planning period. Next, we take the sales forecast in units for each month and deduct that from the finished goods inventory for that month. The deduction is denoted by a credit. Working backwards from April, our inventory policy says that the beginning inventory should be equal to 20% of the sales for the month. April sales were 2,600 units, so the beginning inventory is 20% or 520 units. Beginning inventory in April is ending inventory in March. March sales of 2,800 requires beginning inventory of 560 units, which becomes the ending inventory in February. February sales of 3,600 require 720 units, which becomes the ending inventory in January. We can now solve for January purchases using the equation that purchases equals ending inventory plus sales minus beginning inventory. If we substitute in all of the parts, we find out that purchases in January equal 3,220 units. Using the purchases formula, we can determine the purchases for February and March as well.